Hello guys, it's Super. Welcome to this channel. My name is Dee. If you're new here, welcome very much. So in today's video, I want to do like a proper reset of my room. It's currently a new year and I just feel like it really needs a reset. So the first thing that I'll be tackling my duvet. I just feel like that duvet is so dirty, especially because it has like a white side. It's white and gray, so it has like a white side, and I just feel like that side is ew. It's dirty mpaka nasikia kama naweza jikuna. Anyway, so I want to deal with that, and then also my curtains. I think the last time I washed them was like last year around a time like this, or maybe mid. I don't remember, but by now najua isha accumulate a lot of dust because in January it's really been dusty. Before mvua inyeshe, it was very extremely dusty, so najua accumulate all the dirt. The next thing is also the carpet. It's dirty, very dirty. Especially it's good to have like white things because then you just put like the dirt part. It has like white patches and they're dirty. Imekanyagwa mpaka it just looks bad. I want some advice. You see, so my bathroom has like a glass panel separation, and OMG, this scam is really irritating me. I think I've tried a lot of products. Yesterday I was at Carrefour and I was checking out product, and it was Terrazzo or something. I think that was the name of the product. It works well with the taps because they're actually very shiny, and the tiles. Maybe that is its work for tiles and maybe sinks and terrazzos. But I was really hoping because it's strong, it will deal with the scum on that window panel. I tried nothing. OMG. So I'm a little bit frustrated about that. Also, it may stain the floor. I thought, though it's acid, I think tells the bafu yauku, it somehow gets irritated with the acid because it just discolors. Na sasa inakuwa even worse because inakaa ni kama iko na white patches and it's just ugly. So if any of you knows of a product that deals with scum, kindly let me know. This is the glass panel that I was talking about. So here it actually looks better. This one Nico on the outside, but the inside is where the bigger problem is. It looks a little bit better. Juniliosha Jan. But the scum is still there. If you look closely, unaona how cloudy it is. It really irks me vibaya sana. And this is what I mean by the floor was irritated by the acid. So this is the aftermath. It wasn't like this. Kulikuwa tuna like a few stain hapo na hapo. But sasa after pouring the Terrazzo, it's actually Terrazzo, it's acid. This is what I'm left with. So if I'm supposed to scrub it further, I don't know. You guys kindly help me. Anyway, on to the agenda. This is the duvet. This is the white part in Yanasema Inanibo, and this gray part. This white part, hadi hata nilikuwa nimeiturn iangalie the other side because it's just too dirty. Inanikasirisha. And this basin will be our fighter. This basin only comes out when we're washing duvets. So, as I was telling you guys about that Terrazzo working on this thing, hii stuff yote ilikuwa inakaa hivi. I struggle, but haijangara, but it's way better. We have like very, very hard water, so these things happen. These things happen, but at least this one has a little bit of shine, which I was really, really impressed with. So I'll keep on like using it for a while, hoping for it to get better, like after a long period of use. Okay, so yeah, I think from here we just watch the video.
I am broken, words unspoken. I'm afraid I'm drowning underneath. I got lost inside my feelings. Now I can't seem to find my way to breathe. Need you by my side. I can't see.
Done with the soaking, I'll just like leave it for maybe a few hours. No, maybe 30 minutes. Pia staki staki kuyesha sana. I'll do maybe 30 to 1 hour. Wait, now to remove the curtains. It's okay.
Let's get lost in time, leave it all behind. Life can get so rough. Hope that I'm enough. Let me be the one for you.
What else is saying my talk? Let me catch a break. Removing them is one thing. Putting them back, another. This one I won't soak them. I'm just going to wash them, especially the sheer juu uchafu huwa inatoka tu haraka because it's dust. There's no stains, nothing of the sort. So yeah, and I'm already tired. Had to pause the time lapse to just show you guys how bad it is. So kama haujosha curtains yako in this new year, hebu ndo zitoe. Hebu just look at Where? It looks like wedding gown ya bibi harusi yenye amefanya harusi on a rainy day akakanyagia chini. OMG, so embarrassing. Anyway. It's just funny vile inakaa sura mbaya. Ebu, if you're watching this video, stand up. Amka. Kwa bafu, go wash your curtains.
Eyes smile. Oh, how I wish that you could be here now in this life. We are together, and I still hope that you'll be mine forever. Even though you're far away, I still know we need to move. We are together.
Guys, I'm literally sweating and I'm just asking myself if that is only the curtains. What about the duvet? I really wish it duvet ingekuwa inatoshaka washing machine because that would have made work so much easier, but whew, I'm done with the curtains. This thingy with the laundry basket, it's good because it has like holes. So if you have anything that is heavy, just wash, rinse, ukimaliza, put it in there and then turn it. All the water drains, not all, but at least the majority of the water drains, and then now it just becomes easy to carry. That's why you see me turn it, so that water it drain. Also, if you're rinsing, it's good for you to turn it like that. All the soapy water na maji chafu itoke, so that you just remain with like a little bit. Makes it easy with rinsing na saves water. So sijui kama nikae chini kidogo, I might just get into the duvet because they usually say another saying that says if you start cleaning alafu uke chini, hapo ndio story imeishia. Yo, I'll fast forward it, but for now, we'll tuone how dirty. Let's see how dirty this duvet was. Nisipaswe vishoni. The good thing about convenience music, uchafu will just melt off. Ngoja doesn't look so dirty, guys. Trust me. It's not clean.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
So rinsing it for the last time. Okay guys, the time lapse natoka mpaka nashinda cha kuongea. The time lapse might look short, but we today I've achieved 10k steps. But do you see how clean the water is? So this is what I usually make sure I achieve. Then make sure that the way is clean. Very, very clean. Like, so after this, I'll just put it in there and then we soak the carpet. I sleep and we call it a night.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Done with the carpet. Ini wax. One day I was waxing myself na but I don't remember how it got here. Na haiwezi toka. So there's nothing to do about that, but at least it looks nice. Looks clean. I'll come maybe at midnight and hang it on the line. Ndio nisipate chini jioni, but that's it. Good night. Put out the duvet to dry. It's not such a sunny day, but imekauka almost. It only has this corner, the corners pekee, and that will be it. Huko juu it's totally dry because I let it out at night. Ikamwaga maji yote, and it smells nice too. Wash this in the washing machine. I think I should have left it for longer. I only did 30 minutes and bado iko na stains za soap, but overall it's not that bad. So now that I know it fits in there, I won't be waiting for it to get so dirty before like I wash it. And all the water has been drained, so this one will just dry in like about an hour, which is very, very nice.
I'm feeling it. My bones telling me it's right. It's so different. But when you take me to the light, it's like a cigarette. And I'm burning at your lips. Start so innocent. Then you kick it up, and now I want to show you all what you deserve. And know we got so much to learn. Just like when we said I do, and it's only you that can do it like that. Yeah, yeah. I like it with you. I like it with you. I like it with you. In the sand and we'll dance. We ain't got no plans. You
into the thick of it, yeah. Take a second, breathe it in, now out again. I'm still understanding just how you do the magic when you look at me. Know what I'm saying? It inside your seat. Boy, just like when we said I do. And it's only you who could do like that. It's only you who could do like. I like it with you. I like it with you. I like it with you. In the sand that we dance, we ain't got no plans. You, I like it with you. Yeah, I like it with you. When the hours feel me all night long. I like it when you close all the curtains, you're taking out the trash and the burdens. We got all the time, ain't no worries. I like it when you tell me that you love it, and when you pull the strings, I'm a puppet. Even when it rains, we above it. Oh, I like it with you. Yeah. I like it with you. Yeah. I like it with. I like it with you.
I want to try this product, guys. It says nilifika hapa ndio nikaona it's mostly for glass drains. Also, is the razor, make sure you use gloves. Nasikia hata my hands are starting to itch. Make sure you use gloves when you're washing with it. This one, it says you pour like hot water down the drain, 2 liters. I don't have hot water right now, and I don't have the energy to start boiling, but we'll just use the solar water. So here it is. My sink has really been stressing me. I don't think that really worked.
My Christmas tree is shining bright. That's so unmade for these darker nights. There's so much to see, don't you close your eyes.